My video guide is about removing the fake browser update alerts coming from the website Playhighlyrenewedthefile.vip. Playhighlyrenewedthefile.vip. If you see these strange pop-ups in your browser claiming that you need to install some updates of your Google Chrome, you should not trust all these deceitful messages. These are fake Chrome update alerts. They might tell you that you need to perform these so-called updates to help you block ads, but in reality, interacting with these fake alerts may hijack your browser and a lot of its settings. For instance, the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL. I'm going to install this extension on purpose. By the way, there may be several various extensions that could be promoted through such fake alerts, but all these extensions, as I said, if installed, may change a lot of important browser settings without the customer's permission. In case any extensions like that were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you'll start experiencing a lot of troubles. First thing you could notice is the change of your new tab. So whenever you start opening new browser tabs, you see something different instead of the blank tab. Also, when you submit some search queries, you get the results by some other unwanted search engine. So, to fix these issues, you should get rid of any third-party extensions which were mistakenly installed like that. So, access the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, click on Extensions. Now disable and remove any extensions which were mistakenly installed as a result of these fake software or browser update alerts. And remember not to interact with these fake alerts anymore. Finally, I recommend you to research your system additionally with the help of reliable security software. I suggest you to do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download it through this green download button, install the application and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.